Anan? Put. Put. Natay naman.
Are you afraid? Afraid? You might be harmed, ha? Easy lang, easy. Stand up. Stand up.
Upo kayo po.
Balance your
Upo kami
body. Your faith is very strong, di ba? Well, hello. Are you calling to mama?
Hello. Hello, Papa.
You call
Papa.
mama, you call mama. Hello. Say hello, mama.
Hello.
Oh.
Hello, Mama.
He's calling to you.
Diyos.
He's calling to you. Or you call again, mama. You call again, mama.
Dala ka Diyos, Mama.
Easy.
Mani.
You're like a drunkard master, ah. You drank too much. You cannot carry your body, huh? You cannot carry your body. You cannot balance your body.
Hello.
Hello. You call again,
Hello,
mama. You
Dala
call
ka
again,
Diyos.
mama. You call again, mama.
Hello.
You said, mama. You said, mama. I'm eating, mama, the bread of life.
Dala ka Diyos.
He's eating the bread of life, oh. Oh, be careful. Stand up very well. Ay. Don't move. You might be harmed. Don't move.
Bata. Ay.
Don't walk. That is dangerous. Oh. You go down. You get down. So you walk a little. Walk. You walk. Go back. Oy. Go back to nanay. Go back to nanay. Oh, take it easy. Go back.
Saan? Wala ng tumba.
Stand up.
Yaw dyan.
Say hello.
Hello, Mama. Dala ka Diyos.
Aray.
Bakit?
Buhay. Enough already. Enough.